Hi all, how are you doing? Hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do a small experiment. I want you to listen very carefully. Listen to me very carefully, okay? Now, don't think of a red apple. Don't think of a red apple. You thought about it, right? Even though you tried to not think about it, that red apple came in your mind, right? Why did that happen? How did that happen? Let's watch the video to find out. The experiment that we just did in neuro-linguistic programming, it is called frames. Today I'm going to talk about addictions. You can take any addictions that you want, you're going through. For instance, let's take pornography. As much as we want to deny it, pornography is watched around the world and a lot of people are addicted to it. It is one of the most common addictions people have these days. So, if you're addicted to pornography, there will be a statement that you make. There will be a question, the most common question that you ask. And that is, I know it is bad, I want to come out of it. Everybody that has an addiction to pornography will ask this question. I know it is bad and I want to come out of it. Now, think about the experiment we did earlier. I told you, do not think about the red apple. Even though I told it repeatedly to do not think about it, you still thought about it. Still that red apple came in your head. And that's how it happens in our brain. First, a thought is produced, and before a thought is produced, it is processed at least 1,000 times and then a thought is produced. So when I tell you to don't imagine a red apple, brain would have processed it, it would have seen it at least 1,000 times and then the thought would have come to cancel it. When you make the statement like I want to come out of addiction, I want to come out of pornography, I want to stop watching it, I know it is bad for me, brain would have processed it 1,000 times, it would have seen it 1,000 times and then a thought of coming out of it will be produced. The real question is, how do you actually come out of it? How do you do it? In reality, it is the same way how the brain works. See, you watch pornography and then you think you want to come out of it and then the next day you do it again. And then the thought again comes that it is bad, you need to stop it, you need to come out of it, and then you do it again. And the circle continues. It continues to become a habit and become an addiction in your life. Instead of making a statement saying that I know it is bad and I want to come out of it, make a better statement. State, what do you want to do? What do you want to do? Ask yourself this question that will actually change your addiction, that will actually help you come out of the addiction. You may ask, how does it help? Let me explain it to you. Now think of me as your brain. I am your brain, okay? And here is your addictions. Here is the pornography site that you keep watching. Every time a thought comes, brain processes it and sends it towards this direction. Thought comes, it sends it towards this direction. And now when you ask of what do I want to do instead, you can replace it with anything that you want. You can replace it with exercising or fitness or reading a book or anything. Cultivate a new habit and place it in a different direction. Place it in a different direction. What happens when you change a statement and when you change a habit, when you start cultivating a habit is, a thought comes, instead of taking this path, it will start directing it towards a new habit. Every time you feel that you want to watch pornography, the thought comes of pornography and you will direct it towards a different direction, towards a different habit. Saying alone is not enough. Saying that you will do exercise is not enough. Making a statement is not enough. You need to do it. If you say I will exercise, at that moment get up and do exercise. Do push up, do whatever you want. You have to do your exercises. Or you say you want to read a book, pick any book, any chapter and start reading. So every time the thought comes, it is directed towards this side. Eventually what will happen is the brain will forget the path to this side. It will forget the path and it will remove that path. Every time the thought comes, it is directed towards it. Even if the thought doesn't come, it will automatically do this habit because it is cultivated to become something in your life. You are focusing on that and you're growing in that, and the brain is focused on growing that habit, growing that activity. And it might look a little simple, but that is how you actually come out of your addictions. By stopping this pathway, by changing this pathway, you will see that you have already overcome it. You have already forgotten it and you're doing something better in life. That, my friends, is actually the first step to come out of your addictions. I hope this video has helped you to take the first step to coming out of pornography, coming out of your addictions. If you know that it has helped you, then share it with your friends, because as much as we say, addictions is a big part of our life. Everybody at some point in their life goes through it and want to come out of it, and some people are still struggling with it. If this video has helped you, share it with your friends. Help them. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you in any way, encouraged you to do better in life, then hit that like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and for more awesome contents, for more beautiful contents, ring that bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye.